morning children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class I taught you about the symmetry and today I will teach you about the statistics. Students, statistics is a branch of applied mathematics that involves the collection, descriptions, analysis and inference of conclusion from quantitative data. In this chapter, we will learn about the data, pictograph and bar graph. First is the data. We always require some information to take a decision. This necessary quantitative information is called data. And what is pictograph? Pictograph, the representation of data with the help of pictures is called pictograph. Representation of data with the help of picture is called pictograph. But students, pictograph is easy to understand and conclusion can be drawn by looking at the pictures. But this method requires a lot of pictures to be drawn, which sometimes become impractical. For large quantity, it becomes impractical. So, for representing more data, we use the bar graph. For representing the more data, we use the bar graph. That is, bar graph. If we take a bar of length 1 centimeter for each student, then representation of data becomes even more easy. These bars can be drawn in both horizontally or vertically. That means bar graph is representation of quantitative data using bars of equal width taken at equal distance either horizontally or vertically. Let us see what is given in your book. First question from your book I am taking. See here students. This one, in a class 20 students obtained the following marks out of 5. See, I am writing the marks. Marks is here 3, 2, 5, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 2, 3, then 5, then 4, then 1, then 0, then 3, then 2, then 3 and then 4. These are the marks. How many students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Total number of students is? Total number of students here? Students is here. How many total number of students? 20. And what is this question? Construct a table for the above using the tally method. We have to construct a table using a tally method. In tally method we are using by drawing a line. So for that, for using the tally method, what we have to do? We have to make the column. First we make the column. See here. These boxes, we made these boxes. Okay. Little bit. Now see. In first box, we write the marks. First box, what we have to write? Marks. And second box, we have to draw the tally marks. Marks and tally marks. Marks should be in number. We have to write marks, tally marks, and here we have to write the frequency. Frequency, that means how many times it repeated. Frequency, that is called the frequency. How many times the number is repeated. Now see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 5, only highest marks is 5. So we will give the number from, we will start from 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you want to draw this, you can also draw. Otherwise leave it and write directly. Okay. Okay. Now see 0. In this number, how many times 0 is there? 0. See, how tally marks number first marks is 0. How many numbers is 0? 1, 2. How many? So how we will draw the line, vertical line. We will draw the vertical line 1 and 2. Through the line we will represent. How many zeros is here? 2. Next is 1. How many ones is there? 1, 2. How many 1 is there? 2. So 1, 2. We will draw the 2 vertical line. Next is 2. How many 2's is here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Students, till 4 we will write 1. This one is the 1. This one is the 2. This one is the 3. And this one is the 4. But after 4, when we are writing 5, so how we will write? We will draw the 4 vertical line and 1 slanting line we will draw, which cuts these 4 lines. That is called the 5. Then it will be the 6. This one is the 6, and same way we have to write the 7. This one is the 7 and this one is the 8. Okay, and this one is the 9 and this one is the 10. This one is the 10. These are the telegraph. How to mark the telegraph? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 2 is number of 2 is how many? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will draw the 4 line 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 vertical line we will draw and 1 slanting line we will draw, which cut these 4 lines. And here we will write the number of frequency. That means 2. We will write the how many times repeated? 2, 2 and this one is the 5. 3. Next number is 3. This one is the 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. 3 is also repeated 5 times. So how we will write 5? 4 vertical line we draw and 1 slanting line which cuts these 4 lines, and here we will write the number of frequency, that is 5. Next one is the 4. How many 4's is here? 1 and 2 and 3. How many 4 is here? 3. 1, 2, 3. Right here 3. And how many 5 is here? 1, 2, 3. How many 5 is here? 3. 1, 2, 3. Here number of frequency 3. Add this number. This would be 20. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 3, 30, 17 plus 3, 20. This number is 20. These are the way. In this, what we given data is given here. We write on one column for the marks, second column for the tally marks, third column for the frequency. And how many times it repeated. That is called the frequency. Students, always remember कि 1, how to draw my tally marks 1, and these 2 vertical lines is 2, this 3 vertical line is 3, this 4 vertical line is 4, and this one is the 4. For writing the 4 vertical lines we have to draw, and 1 slanting line which cuts these 4 lines is called the 5. And same way we have to write how to 6. This one 5 and 1 6. This one is the 7 and this one is the 8. This one is the 9 and this one is the 10. 2 times we have to draw the 4 vertical lines and cut once through the 1 slanting lines. Now, same way, second question is here. The maximum daily temperature of a city of degree is in Celsius between 1 April 2005 to 15th April 2005 was recorded. Means data is given, and with the help of data we have to make the tables and draw the tally mark, and also we have to draw the frequency. So what data is given? First we will write the data. First one is the 37.8. Next one is the 37.9. Next one is the 38.0. Next one is the 37.9. Next one is the 37.9, and afterwards 38.0, 38.1, 38.2, 38.3 and 38.3 again, 38.3 again, and 38.2, 38.2. Next one is the 38.1 and 38.2. These data are given, and we have to make the table. and we have to draw the tally marks, and same way we will draw. What we will write? First, make the boxes. Okay. Now in the first line we write the temperature. What is given? Data is given in temperature. So we will write the temperature. Okay. And second one, what I told? Tally marks. Tally marks we have to write. And third, in that column we have to write the frequency. Means how many times it repeated. That numbers we have to write. So see here, this data 37.8 started, 9, after then 38, after then 1, 38.1, 38.2, 38.3. That is the last. So what we will write? 37.8, 37.9, then 38.0, 38.1, 38.2 and 38.3. 38.3 is the last. So we will write, and after that we have to make this line a separate line. Draw this one. Same way we will write, and see 37.8. How many times 37.8 is given? Number of frequencies here 1, 2, and here how many numbers is here? 2 times only. The 2 lines given and number of 2 times repeated. 37.9. 37.9. This one is the 1, 2, 3, and 3 times. How many times it is? 3. So how many line we will draw? 3. And number of frequency we will write here 3. Next number is 38. See here 38. 1, then 2, and then that is the 2 times only. So how many number of frequencies here? 2. Same way 38.1. See 38.1. This one is the 38.1 and this one is the 38.1. How many times it is? 2 times. So write 2. 38.2. How many times is 38.2? Now this line, only this one 38.2, this one 38.2, this one. How many times? 3 times. Number of frequencies 3. 38.3 is here. This one is the 38.3, 1. This one is the 2, only 2 times. We will write the 2. Add this number 2, 3, 5, 2, 7, 2, 9, 3, 12, 2, 14. Total number is here 14. Count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These are the way to make the tally graph. Same way students, you draw the bar graph also. Next question I am taking from your book. That is the following tables represent this the yearly income of a company for 5 years. For 5 years, make the data table. What table is given here? Now see here. In first box, year is given. Okay. Now yearly income. In yearly income is here 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. In rupees, it is 1 lakh. Okay. Year is given. Yearly income is given. Year is here. We have to write 1996, 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999 and 2000. Okay. And this one is the 10 lakhs. This one is the 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs. This one is the 15. This one is the 12. And this one is the 22. So students, this we have to draw in a bar graph. So how we will represent? We will make a column, a straight line. Then one vertical line we have to draw. And write this line should be x-axis. And this one is the y-axis. Okay. And here we have to represent the year. And here we have to represent the income. Yearly income. Here we have to represent the yearly income. And how we will represent year? Here this year, this boxes is 1996. After then leave this boxes is 1997, and this boxes is 1998. This boxes is the 1999, and this boxes is 2000. Okay. Now here we will make the yearly income. Here the number start from the 10. So what we will do? We will write from the 5. This one is the 0. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. These are the way. This one is the y-axis is the yearly income and x-axis is the year. In which year is first one is the and one boxes is the equal to 5 lakhs. One boxes is equal to one scale. One boxes is equal to 5 lakhs. Okay. Now see in 1996 is 10. So what we will draw? We will draw line like that. 1997 it is 20. 1997 it should be 20. In 1998 it is the 15. So 1998 it should be 15. 1999 is 12. Is like that. Is 12. Is 12. In 2000 is 22. Means more than 22. These are the way to draw the graph.